In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce Facebook ads CPC in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're new to digital marketing or looking to sharpen your advertising skills, reducing the cost per click, CPC, on your Facebook ads can dramatically improve your campaign's return on investment. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to head over to Facebook Business Manager. This platform is where all the magic happens, from creating and managing ads to assessing comprehensive insights on their performance. If you're not already logged in, the next step is to click on Login with Facebook. This will redirect you to a login page where you'll enter your credentials. It's crucial to ensure that you're logging into the correct account. This seems straightforward, but sometimes, especially in an agency or multi-account scenarios, mistakes can happen. Once logged in, it's time to navigate your way to your ads. You'll find ads located at the lower left panel of your dashboard. This panel is essentially your control room, offering access to various aspects of your Facebook advertising endeavors. Clicking on ads will take you to the heart of where your creative content lives. Next, you'll need to head over to the Ads Manager. This is where you get to see your campaigns, ad sets, and ads all lined up. The Ads Manager is a powerful tool providing you with detailed metrics and functionalities to manage your ads effectively. After accessing the Ads Manager, it's time to move into the analytical side of things. You'll want to go to Ads Reporting. This is where Facebook compiles all your data, giving you insights into how your ads are performing. It's one thing to put out ads, but another to understand their performance. This is where data becomes your best friend. Once in Ads Reporting, your focus should be on understanding your CPC, or cost per link click. CPC is a metric providing insight into the cost effectiveness of your advertising efforts, calculated as the amount spent divided by link clicks. Why is this important? Well, understanding this metric can help you identify areas in your ad strategies that need tweaking to achieve lower costs and better performance. Now, let's focus a bit on CPC itself. When you're in the ads reporting section, look for the CPC, or cost per link click option. This will bring up your current statistics. Observing this number gives you a clear idea of how much you're essentially paying for each click on your ad. It's a stark, raw number that puts a lot in perspective, doesn't it? Knowing this number and the factors that affect it can empower you to optimize your ads for better performance and lower costs. Keep in mind, the process of reducing your CPC isn't just about slashing your advertising budget or indiscriminately tweaking ads. It's about smart optimization. This includes targeting the right audience, improving your ad relevance score, testing different ad creatives, and being strategic about your bidding strategies. Keeping an eye on your CPC through the method I just described is crucial in this optimization journey. Remember, knowledge is power. Understanding your metrics is the first step towards making informed decisions that lead to more cost-effective advertising. And there you have it. Now you know how to access and interpret your CPC for Facebook ads, putting you well on your way to crafting more efficient and effective ad campaigns. Remember, the world of Facebook advertising is dynamic and always evolving, so stay curious, keep experimenting, and never stop learning. Let's take a moment to recap. We started with navigating to the Facebook Business Manager, logging in, finding our way to the ads section, diving into Ads Manager, and scrutinizing our CPC in the ads reporting section. Each step, though simple on its surface, plays a crucial role in the bigger picture of ad performance optimization. The journey doesn't end here. The insights you gain from understanding your CPC will be your guide to adjusting your campaigns to reach your desired outcome. Whether that's targeting adjustments, creative changes, or bidding strategy optimizations, the data you now know how to access will light the way. Thank you for joining me in today's instructional journey on reducing your Facebook ads CPC. Implement these insights, keep tracking your performance, and you're bound to see improvements. Keep pushing your digital marketing boundaries, and here's to your success.